Paso, the winds have calmed down quite a bit, but overnight, peak gust at 40 miles per hour at the airport, and it was also windy in Las Cruces. Strongest winds I'm tracking, though, this hour, this is around Del City, gust at 43 miles per hour, around Salt Flat, 42. And as we dive in a little closer to the west side of town, we're seeing gusts up to 15 miles per hour. Around Rustler, Thunderbird, so again, we're seeing much calmer conditions compared to what we saw yesterday, but we're not done with the wind just yet. Northeast El Paso around Dyer Street, 14 miles per hour. And a little further east around Pebble Hills, we're also at 15 miles per hour. So breezy start for you all. Las Cruces, winds are calm. El Paso at the airport, and gusts are also calm, with the exception of Guadalupe Pass at 16 miles per hour. So an hour-by-hour look at what's in store for the rest of the day today. Again, we're still dealing with the wind, just not as windy this afternoon. And unfortunately, I think we could see some patchy blowing dust in some locations. At lunchtime, we're looking pretty good. 1 o'clock, we'll slowly start to see winds increase up to 30 miles per hour on the 3 o'clock hour, dimming up to 30, and then we're breezy around the area mountains through at least 6 o'clock. So we're still seeing gusts in the 35 mile per hour range for this afternoon. Plus, we have a cold front that's going to be moving in later in the day. That's going to cool things down. Not as hot as it was yesterday. We'll be sitting a little closer to where we should be around this time of year. The average is 83, and we'll be in the low 80s. By Tuesday, things will be looking pretty good. Lots of sunshine, and you can see by Wednesday at 4 o'clock, another cold front's going to move in past just north of us, so the tail end of it could cool us down just a few degrees, but I don't anticipate us bringing much of a change for us. Friday, we've got some moisture out west, and I'll add a slight chance for rain. We've got some moisture just south of us, so we're not going to completely remove the chance of rain out of the forecast for the end of the week. Today, 82 for Clint, Fabin, Socorro, also in the 80s. 82 will be the high. Vinton, Canutillo, Fort Bliss also topping out at 81. So there's your 7-day forecast. Pretty nice looking day for tomorrow. Again, we're still windy today with gusts up to 35, some areas of blowing dust this afternoon. By Wednesday, we're in the 90s, so it will be hot. We'll cool down just a few degrees Thursday. There's that slight chance for rain Friday. We're windy. We're in the 80s.